Hello guys, today in this video I am gonna tell you how to register on Fiverr. Fiverr is an freelancing platform. Fiverr is a freelancing platform where you can sell your services from web designing to uh, YouTube monetization or reels, edits, social media management, social media marketing agency. We will be covering all sorts of services, how to sell on Fiverr, how to register on Fiverr, what is the benefit of Fiverr, and how to make money online from Fiverr. So let's get started. So get in order to sell services on Fiverr, we have to become a seller. So firstly we will click on becoming a seller. So it will show you this pop-up where it is showing that a gig is bought every 5 seconds, this much of projects completed, and this is the price range is between $5 to $10,000. So we will continue, and then we will start with sign up with email. We will click on we will enter the email, the password, the username, and then the password. We will put this password, and I am making this account public, so no need to worry. Let's try another one. Okay, no worries, we will try this. And it's going on. Okay, I will click on sign up. Continue, and now we have to confirm our email. So we will verify our email account, activate your new account, click on activate, and it will get activation failed. We need to click on activate, and then we need to click on this. Let's see, activate your email, resend. We need to click again here, wait for Fiverr email. Okay, so we are doing this sorts of stuff in order to become a verified seller, and we will be selling our services on Fiverr, and I will tell you how to register and how to create a gig over Fiverr. I don't know why it's showing, but change email address, no need. Get inspired, preferences, no need. Okay, then we will go to account. I think so activation is required, so we will try with another email, and it's, let's say we can provide this one, Bollywood STV, update and send. We are just confirming. The activation email from Fiverr. We will activate the account. Oh no, so let me check it once again. It's showing activation email. By the way, we are going to do stuff something like this social media design. We will be creating any design from Canva, and this we will be selling packages from $15 to $130. So yeah, this is the thing. Seller communications. Okay, so these are the thing. This is the app, and we are also getting views. Suppose this one is selling 5 star, so this is a level 2 seller. he is from, I don't know, he is from another country and is not offline, he is not online. So yeah, we will be continuing with this Fiverr account creation in the next upcoming video. And let me tell you one thing more, how to earn money from Fiverr is that we can also earn money from Fiverr with affiliate marketing as well. So if your friend sign up signs up with Fiverr account, then you will be getting $100. Yeah, that's the thing. So yeah, Fiverr is a good platform for newbies and for freelancing services. Okay, guys, see you again in the next upcoming video regarding the Fiverr account service. Thank you very much.